right, it's a 14 GT today. You love that sound? I do. We calibrated it to lope like that, but hey, it's a CJ519 naturally aspirated package. Got intake only cams. We're gonna make a dyno pull. We're gonna go inside and check out the engine compartment. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I'm pumped today because it's a naturally aspirated Coyote. So this 2014 right here is running what we call our CJ519 package. And what that is a Cobra Jet inspired package. Like I think it's 2013. Ford had a naturally aspirated Cobra Jet, and that's where the manifold came from. I have Doug with me, we're gonna check it out. So it's the Cobra Jet manifold. It's all bolt-on car. So we have the Ford Racing throttle body, JLT Colder intake. We are running long tube headers, high flow cats, SLP exhaust, as well as a set of intake only camshafts. So this is a premium fuel setup. We're not running 85, we're not running race fuel. This has a factory fuel injectors on the car. So this calibration is good for 91 and 93 octane fuel. Manual transmission car. I'm gonna make two back-to-back pulls, see what it makes. We'll overlay the graphs. Let's go check it out. Man, that's pretty cool. Two pulls in a row, 455.8 real horsepower, 455.47. Normally they're a little bit more off than that. Torque came in right around 380. This is gonna be a fast, high RPM car. Now, this car right here reminds me of my high mile Coyote. Check it out. So this is a 14 with 37,000 miles. Mine's 11 with 165,000 miles. If you haven't watched those videos, I will put a link at the end so you can read more about it. And hey, don't forget, if you like videos like this, you need to subscribe and notify. You can email quote@brenspeed.com to get pricing on these parts installed. And as always, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Thanks.